That's the same one I was. When I run out.
First round would load.
It's a toy, dude.
It's a toy. 30 rounds.
Hey Diesel, what you doing, buddy?
Kill.
What you gonna shoot?
Stuff down range.
You gonna shoot that full auto Glock right here?
Full auto Glock. Glock 18.
A real man just lets it ride now.
That's all I know.
Keep your head down and your game tight.
All I know.
Here comes my boy Sean Diesel, full auto Glock 18.
You got a towel?
Dude, I didn't get it. Oh, that boy's so dumb. You ready?
Yeah, man.
A couple bursts, I'm gonna let it ride.
All right. Let her eat.
How many rounds was that?
Let it eat, little man. There you go.
What's that?
You're not burning yourself out.
Back, I'm telling you. It'll knock you backwards. Oh yeah, you gotta lean into it.
Pull the ball back and let the slam it in. Lean into it.
Move, guy. What is he gonna hold him?
Okay, there you go.
That barrel is already hot. Give me a little explanation of what you're doing there, buddy. I can't hear you. I got my earplugs in.
It is loaded.
Loaded? He's gonna let it eat on this AK right here.
Oh, you did? You grabbed it?
Shoot towards the left side of the range there, Sean.
Good.
You hear me? Shoot towards the left side of the range.
Is it green?
There you go. Woo! Now go load it up for me, Sean.
Get all but one.
Rock and roll.
I don't think you're out. It's locked back.
Hey, yeah, yeah.
Come on with it.
The hell is that thing, Sean?
You missed.
Pay me to buy an AK.
Hey, Ed, I have an idea.
Hang on. There you go, Jerry.
Spring. I mean, I can't think of anything better to do than this stuff on spring gas.
Oh.
That's what I would do. Shoulder fire.
That's all you got. Ready? Hold on your arm? Yeah, right there. Let her go. Nothing. That's awesome. That's literally awesome.
We're just going to have to buy a belt. Yeah, now I can see.
We'll take him up.
There's more.
Put that up to your shoulder.
Hanging this low. Oh man!
You shoot the damn thing. It slid me back a foot.
There you go. Like shooting at 22.
I like it.
Oh, that's fun.
Ready, Diesel?
Get it.
9 inches on the outside.
It's done.
You done already?
It's done, buddy. I wish it wasn't, but it is.
Take them out, though.
50 cal, probably.
All right, Diesel.
Well, you know, when I'm
Yep.
reading up, I'm reading up.
Ready.
String.
You typing your letter to your mama?
So sick.
That's sweet, man.
Coming in hot.
That made my day.
Go ahead.
Yeah, let it eat.
Lean forward right before you pull.
Wait, I didn't shot. I didn't get it. Shoot it again. That's what I'm screaming. Don't be scared, pumpkin.
Get it, dude.
Oh, yeah.
No barrel.
Pat back.